The time has arrived to open my FedEx package from Malaysia. This is, again, my Fansite goods of Jhope. Let's get into this. There's a pull tab right here. Oh, I pulled it. It didn't open all the way, no. Said pull quickly. I did. Wow, wrapped really, 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 really good. It's stuck to the sticky stuff here. Okay, nothing else inside. I am so happy with how they packaged this. Great job. One step closer. Oh my gosh. It's right under here. Oh my gosh. I I see something right here. Pure Block Daily. I don't know if this is something that BTS uses. If so, you guys can tell me about it if you know. So I had to pull that out. So I got Pure Block sunscreen, I believe. So this will be helpful when outdoors. Which direction do I need to get this open from? Looks like I need to cut it. I thought I might be able to pull it out, but tape is stuck on the package here. Okay. Gotta be careful. Oh, wow. There it is. It's right here. Ready for the thy unveiling. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. She did add some goodies here. Whoa. Oh. Speak Yourself. This is from the Speak Yourself tour. There's Jhope. Oh my God. Oh, that's so sweet of her. I'm so happy. She said that she was going to include some goodies. So I got Pure Block, which I think is something that BTS uses. And I got Jhope Speak Yourself keychain. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this. More goodies before I get into the actual Fansite good right here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Can't wait to get a look inside. See what the little extra goodies. See what they are. Little stickers in there. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Hobie stickers and Namjoon, I think. Let's see, I'm trying to see. It looks like there's Namjoon. Tay. I think that's JK up here. Then there's Hobie, RM, and Suga. It's all the boys right here. Oh my gosh, look how cute. OT7, so cute. Oh, look at Yoongi at the top. There's Hobie. His laugh. Oh, Jimin, Park Jimin. And then BT21. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then I think this is a 1PC. Oh my gosh, it's from Love Yourself. And it looks like, I don't know if this has ever been opened. Okay, it looks like you can't open it at the bottom, I think. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Hobie. BT21. Okay, so this isn't an actual card from Love Yourself. It was just stored in there. And on the back it says BT21. There's his character, Mong. So cute. I need to get Mong. I need to get OT7's BT21 characters, so. He's so handsome. Hobie. Put him back in here. I love this. Oh, love it so much. Now it is, this is Map of the Soul. It says J-Hope on the back. Sorry if it's out of frame. Nice. Really, really, really nice. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I love that one right there. I already have these, but hey, I'm not going to complain because some of mine were not in very good, like looked blurry or something. So this one looks much clearer than the one I have. He's so handsome. Look at him. So yeah, I'm happy to have extra copies. I am not going to complain. Anything Hobie, I'm happy with. All right, I'll set this off to the side. I love this stuff, so thank you to the seller. I love this so much. Oh, I love all the goodies. So now actually getting to her product here. It says, get close to hope. You'll definitely be happier. Happier. Let's do that over. Now to get to the actual Fansite goods. On the front is a big sticker. It says, get close to hope. You'll definitely be happier. And then underneath that, Moment, Flow, Memory by 218 with J-Hope. And it says Hope Film Book 218. That's his birth date. Okay. I'm ready. Okay, so it has two books. This is the main book. Oh my gosh, there's the The posters. Oh, I love him in this outfit and the way he looks and this performance. Oh my God. So anyways, yeah, this is the book. There's a little mini book here and some stickers, a DVD, and some PCs. So we'll go through this stuff first, and then we'll look at the pictures right here underneath, and then this right here. All right, so let's get to it. There was a card that fell out, so I want to turn this around. Dear Heather, hope these get to you well. And her signature. So yeah, I had to show that. I just saw it on the floor, didn't know I lost it, so thank you so much for this. And it did get to me safely. Okay, this is to store a little picture of Hobie and connect it to your keychain. That is cute. The PCs, the DVD, and postcard, I think. Yep, this is the postcard. Wow. Ego music video. I love that video. From Dynamite. And these are from fan signings. This one, I don't know where that one was taken. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. That's the back of it. Okay, I'll take a look at the PCs. I love this fan signing photo of Hobie so much. He looks so beautiful with the flower wreath on his head. I love the clothing he was wearing, and he just looks so handsome. So cute. Oh. These are nice quality, matted finish. Oh my gosh. Hobie, Hobie. Oh, so handsome. I really like these PCs. That one says J-Hope. From the Love Yourself tour. Oh, looks like he's gonna cry. And then Hope Film. Okay. I love these PCs. They're beautiful. Let's take a look at the DVD. At the top, it says 218 Photobook Project, Hope Film by 218, Movement, Flow, Memory. All the moments we shared are not going anywhere, 'cause memories don't say goodbye. It's beautiful. 218. And there is the DVD. I'm looking forward to checking this out. This is the first Fansite DVD that I've received. So I don't know what I'm in store for, but I'm looking forward to it. All right, to take a look at the mini book, 218 Hope Film B-side book, Moment Flow Memory. And that's really tiny, so I think it's just, I thought it was words, but as I bring it closer to my face, it's just a little line. Okay, and same words as that was on the back of the DVD. Oh, he's so cute. It's from the 5th Muster. Oh my goodness, yes. I love these. Spine breaker. Oh, waving to Army. With the Army bomb. I love him in this shirt. It's really beautiful. The pale blue, and then it goes into pink, and it has like some silvery designs. As you can see, it's really beautiful. Looks like he was crying here. Oh no. Oh, performing his EDM dance track called Just Dance. Oh my gosh, do I love that song by Hobie. When he performs it, oh my gosh, he's amazing. He looks so good. Black and white, wow. Wow, he's stunning. Look at him. Look how gorgeous he is. Both sides. Oh my gosh. And right there, it looks like he's leaning down to a fan. Oh my goodness. That was one lucky Army. Speak yourself. Hey, he got the picture of them, of all the guys on his back here, and his popular little pouch that he carried around. I've said in another video, that sold out really quickly. Whatever the boys wear or carry, they sell out quick. Oh my gosh. I love him in this, and these clothes here. I still don't know what this is from. I need to find it. Oh, he's cute here, but I was looking at him with this huge penguin. Oh my gosh. Looks like airport fashion going on here. Okay. Oops. Checking out his phone and whispering to Park Jimin. What's their little secrets, guys? We'll never know. That's between Jimin and Hobie. Oh, he's so handsome. And that's it for the mini book. Wow, nice pictures. Okay, that leaves it to the actual photo book, I think. No, wait, the pictures. Let's take a look at these pictures. Moment, flow, memory. It says at the bottom, on the back, 218 Hope film. Oh, whoa, this is photo-like quality. He is a vision. Oh my God. I really love these so far. And the last one, oh, happy smiley Hobie. Oh, and confetti falling down. It's from the Love Yourself tour. These are very high quality. They're like an A4 size, and it's like glossy photo paper on the top. So I really love this. He looks amazing in all of these pictures. I especially love this one. Okay, time to look at the book now. Let's tear into this plastic. I'm going to try to cut it in a way that I could put the book back in. So I'll try my best. Oh, okay. I didn't look at the back. Same quote as on the DVD and B-side book. Okay, let's get into it and take a look. This is pretty thick. I'm wanting to say this has 218 pages in it. That would coincide with his birth date. All right, I am ready. Let's get into this. Ooh. What a vision. Great one to start off with. It's like a gentle breeze blowing in his hair. I do need to raise this up a little bit, okay, because it's cutting off the image at the top. Hang on one moment. Let's try this again. So hopefully you can see what I'm seeing now. There it is, the gentle breeze blowing in his hair. It gives me a certain feeling in the bottom of my stomach, like a tickly feeling. And I don't know why, but certain pictures do that to me. He's in my favorite shirt. And he looks so good. That is cute. I like his J. Side profile over here. Look at his smile. Oh, no, this makes me sad. He's crying. The boys get so emotional at concerts, and it's sweet. You know how much they care about Army. Oh, I love this one here. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. Let's see if I can pull it in close. Oh. I love this. Look at that. Same with this one here. Ooh, Hobie from his Just Dance performance. Quality pictures. That's what I have to say. I'm not very deep into this book. Oh yes. Oh yes. Dance King. That's what you are, Hobie. I love his song Just Dance. And I love watching him performing it on DVD. Oh my God, in red. Oh, the red suit. Black and white photo, beautiful. Giving us the finger heart. I love these. He has a little bit of blonde tips in his hair. And it's fallen into his face from performing. Oh. Gorgeous. Another one, oh my God. He's breathtaking. My heart. It's aching right now. Oh my gosh, look at him from that performance. How could you call this man ugly? That's what I want to know. There's nothing on his entire body that's ugly, okay? And especially his face. I love his red glittery microphone. I didn't mention, but the quality of the paper on here is slightly matted, I don't want to say. Slightly matted, and it's pretty thick quality too, so it is a great quality photo paper. Oh, he's right in the middle with Tay down here, Namjoon, and Jin. That one's so cute. It's cute both. Hobie and Tay again right here. Kissy face. Ooh, there's a bigger image of that postcard I got. Love his smile. Hobie with glasses. Adorable. You know, he's wearing the 1980s style glasses. He looks cute in glasses too. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. Too cute. Slipping us the tongue, are we, Hobie? Come on now. Okay, I'll bring these pictures in closer since they're smaller. I think he was giving something to an army here. Yeah, he was carrying something here. How sweet. The images are beautiful, great quality, HD, nothing's blurry. I can stare at Hobie all day long. I know I need to pick up the pace. Now it says flow. So I didn't notice if it said anything over here. Yeah, it said moment. So this section right here was moment. Now we're into flow. And I need to pick up the pace because look, nowhere near the end yet. He looks good in every photo I've seen. Wow. Ooh, Hobie with red hair. Black and white images are really artistic, I should say. I really like that. Oh, Hobie in this outfit. I like the way he looks here. I've seen some pictures of these on the internet. He looks so good. He looks good all the time, as I've said multiple times, but he looks amazing throughout this. He doesn't take a bad picture. Wow. Hobie. Over here too. You want a closer look? Take a look at that. Oh yes. Hobie wearing his bucket hat, one of his bucket hats. Oh my gosh, the pictures from this, I love them so much. Hobie in black leather pants. It's just like too much for me. I'm dying. Look at that stare. I love his hair so much. And I love it when it's like close, like natural color like this, pretty close to natural, and lighter shades of brown. Though I do like him with pink hair, and he doesn't look bad with all, you know, different hair colors, but I prefer him natural and like with a lighter brown. But, you know, he's beautiful, whatever color it is. I just have a preference. Oh no, that's where he's crying at the Asian Music Awards. They had worked so hard, and that was an achievement well deserved. We got JK over here behind Hobie. I love it when he does that with his mouth. He's just too cute. Plaid pants, whoa. First time I've seen this here. I think I've seen a couple of pictures from this on this side. I love these pictures so much. They're all good. We're not to the end yet. This is from Fifth Semester, either from Pied Piper or Dimple. I love those performances from the Fifth Semester. Oh. Spine Breaker. I love that performance. They're so funny. That was Jen's dance move that they were doing. Remember they said he was so proud that he created that. This is one of the pictures that I have as a postcard photograph that came with this set. Ooh, it's Hobie core. Yes. Vibrant, colorful Hobie. This is very 90s style, and I love it. I love his 90s style vibe, music and dress. His, you know, way he dresses, you know. That fashion Hobie core is everything. But he can also dress up really nice. Besides being vibrant. From the Fifth Semester in his overalls. Oh my gosh, this performance, this look, the clothing. Wow. One of my favorites. Me and my friend love this look on Hobie. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love this clothing here. It's like the Blood, Sweat, and Tears clothing, and I love it. This is like black velvet. I'll bring it up closer to the camera so you can see. More pictures from Fifth Semester. Now, I think this was Festa, celebrating their, I don't know if that's them celebrating Army, because Army's birthday. I don't know if that's what Festa is for, or if that's celebrating BTS's birthday. He just makes me happy when he smiles. It's everything. I catch Hobie looking like other members of the group. You know, he makes me think of Tay right here. And you know, him and Yoongi look like each other time to time. Here's what the one picture of him from that, where he's wearing the black leather pants, and him and Jungkook look like each other. It was just they got him in a certain pose. Hobie with curly hair. I remember him having his hairstyle like this on James Corden. He was right in the middle in Carpool Karaoke. I love BTS on that. They were so cute and so fun. Now it's memory. Little cat ears. It's Cat Hobie, or Hobie Cat. Oh my gosh, the flower wreath. Whoa. And little kitty ears. Oh my goodness. Almost done. This has been a long video, but I hope that you've enjoyed looking at Hobie with me. I love this fan meeting here. The way he looks. Hobie with red hair again. Our red-headed Hobie. His bunny ears at the fan meeting. Oh, so cute. Oh, he has the rainbow on his head. He is our sunshine. And what comes with sunshine is a rainbow. Hobie in glasses. Beautiful photo. I love him in this clothing too. The boys always look good in white. His little dimples. Okay, this is the last page. That's it. So it says 218 second photo book. Moment Flow Memory, Hope Film, June, no, this is two different dates. It says 2/20/6/17. So June 2017, I guess, to February 2020. For J-Hope, it says right here. All right, well, that was the look through of my Fansite photo book collection. I'm gonna lay everything out here. Thanks for tuning in and looking through this Fansite collection that I got from Malaysia. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. And if you like the video, give it a like and comment down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Annyeong. Bye.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball. Ha! Disco overload.